Hello everyone, I'm Uttkarsh Patel and this is an image editor I've made using Win32 and COM. The user has to first register in order to use the editor. If incorrect details are entered, they are highlighted and the register button is disabled. If and only if all the values are valid, the register button is enabled and the user can proceed. Now I'll load an image. As you can see, there are two modes. First, image editing and second, color picker mode. Right now, we'll see the image editing mode. There are three filters available, that is desaturation, sepia, and color inversion. You can apply either one or combination of these three filters. Also, there is an option to export the processed image to the file format you want. If a same file format is saved again, the older image is overwritten. Moving on to the color picker mode. You have to click on the image to get that coordinates RGB pixel values. There is a choice to log the pixel values into a file. For that, there are two options, normal values that are from 0 to 255 and normalized values that are from 0 to 1. I'll choose both. These are the normalized values that are from 0 to 1, and these are the normal values that are from 0 to 255. Thank you.